Hello my beautiful darlings, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day today. Today we're going to talk about how to enter your rich girl era, how to truly make money using your feminine energy. And I'm going to give you all of my tips because this is exactly what I did. Having this soft life and attracting abundance and money. Because living a softer life does not mean that you cannot work, ladies. That does not mean that you cannot make money or create a business or anything like that. You definitely can, and you definitely still can work and still use your feminine energy to create abundance, to create money, to upgrade your life and living a softer life while making money while you sleep. So if you want to know more, keep on watching. But first, just wanted to let you know that if you want to see more of my content, I talk about fashion, femininity, old Hollywood glamour, seduction, dating, anything to level up your life and make you feel incredibly amazing and confident. Feel free to join the channel, the link is down below. And also follow me on my Instagram, also follow me on TikTok. And if you want to join my Femme Fatale Siren course, the link is down below to truly upgrade your feminine power, your feminine energy, to truly make men spoil you and cherish you, how to be more seductive and embrace your sensuality and your feminine power, and a lot of techniques to truly obtain whatever you want. Then join the Femme Fatale Siren course. Now let's talk about manifesting money and creating a business using your feminine energy. This is a subject that I'm not really talking about normally. I'm talking about seduction and men and women and relationships. This subject is also very interesting because you can literally use your feminine energy for so many things. Why limit ourselves to men? We can also use it to create abundance and money and create ourselves a soft life. So the first advice would be, first of all, you have to discover what you're good at, because so many people, they want to create a business, but they're always asking themselves, and I see that in a lot of people around me, they want to create a business and they're always asking, oh, what is working? What do people demand? What do people want? And especially if you want to have a business with your feminine energy, or if you want to make money and create yourself a soft life, I think these are not the right questions you need to ask yourself. The right question is, what am I good at? What are my passions? How can I bring value to people with my expertise? What are the subjects that I'm really good at, that I'm expert to, that I can teach other people, or that I can bring value to other people? Am I really good at being organized so that I can help other people being organized? Am I really good at cooking so that I can bring value to other people by cooking them amazing meals? To be in your soft feminine energy and living that soft life that you feel really good, it needs to feel easy for you. And in that case, you manifest money by playing. I am playing right now. I'm making money while I'm playing. I'm doing what I'm passionate about, talking about feminine energy, improving your life, improving yourselves. We have to also understand that we are not men. Men have masculine energy, they have more masculine energy than us, and they have more ability to handle stress than we do. And even if we want to provide a man on this channel, we can still make money for ourselves. I would always recommend it, of course. I would always recommend to have your own money, maybe savings, or to create a little business or side hustle. Even for my housewife, that can be very fulfilling, even if you're a housewife, to have a little side hustle, but to play with it, to have fun. It needs to be fun and playful, and one of your passion for it to be truly staying in your feminine flow and your feminine energy. I see a lot of advice online of how to create a business, how to do this, how to do that, but it's mostly men talking, and it's mostly men giving those advice to other men. And us ladies, we're not the same as men. We have different energies, we have different hormones, we have different bodies. We don't have as much masculine energy, but instead we have more feminine energy, which can be an advantage also, because I always say that you can use your masculine energy at work and your feminine energy with your partner or at home, but actually you can also use your feminine energy at work, and it can be very beneficial for you. So don't really compare yourself to men and to how they are doing business and everything. We have different way of functioning. You have to take into consideration that we create life, we create babies. Do you want the same type of business that this man is doing, which this man is not going to get pregnant, he's not going to have kids, he doesn't have period and a cycle and hormones that are always fluctuating and changing every month. So do you want to have the same level of intensity than he has on his business or on making money on his career? Do you want to have the same level? This is something that you need to ask yourself. For me, I don't want to have too much stress. I am living this softer life. I work whenever I want. I have a lot of flexibility with what I'm doing, and this is exactly what I wanted. Create this soft life where I'm making money while I sleep, and if I want to play with my dog outside, if I want to go to a restaurant, if I want to go to Italy on vacation right now, I can go. You want to create a business and making money in a way that aligns with your life and your lifestyle. How can you make money and provide value on something that feels easy to you, on something that feels natural to you? And I assure you, everyone is good at something. You need to find something you're good at. You could be good at writing, shopping. There's so many things that you can do as a woman. There are some women that have a little jewelry business. They create their own jewelry and they sell it on Etsy. You have some women that provide house cleaning because they're so organized and so good at cleaning that they created a business and now they hire other people to go and to clean into different houses. That can also be an incredible business to run. Is it something small that you want, just a little side hustle? Is it something bigger? How much work do you want to dedicate to that business? Ask other people if you need to. Ask other people, what am I good at? What do you think are the things I would bring value to others? And sometimes we're so good at something that we don't even realize that we're good at this. It comes so natural to us that then you think that it comes naturally to everyone as well, which is not the case. Once you have the things that you're good at, are those things really enjoyable to do? Are those things aligned with my lifestyle, with what I want? Is it going to be enough flexibility for me to create a family? This and that, there's a lot of things to consider. And sometimes there are some people that they want the success and they only see the success and the result at the end. They never see the climb. They never see all of the struggle and all of the sacrifices that you needed to do for you to be able to arrive to that point, right? A lot of people would see my YouTube channel and they would think, oh, I want to do that, but they don't see all of the work and the sacrifice that you need to do before and the consistency that you need to bring and all of the video that you need to create to be able to be on that level. A lot of people would see a successful business, they would think the same thing. They don't see all of the things behind. You need to consider that. You need to consider, am I willing to do all of the sacrifice that I need to be for me to be successful in a business? More money comes with more responsibility, sometimes also more stress. If you want to stay in your feminine energy while you create a business, while you're making money, I suppose that you want to minimize the stress and you want to minimize the responsibilities and have a lot more freedom in your time and being able to enjoy time with your family and your friends and going out and making yourself look pretty and have time for you and doing self-care. And personally, I love freedom. I love freedom of time, freedom of money, not having to worry about money, not having to worry about time. Because if you have to do a business, you have to travel all the time, or you can never see your kids, or you can never see your husband, or you don't even have time for yourself, what is the point of this business? The business is supposed to work for you, not the other way around. The key is to have passive income. And I know this is the dream. We all want passive income. The best in passive income is definitely to invest in real estate, but you can still find a way in a lot of different businesses to have passive income. For example, my YouTube channel is passive income, right? I still have to work, so it's not fully passive income. I don't think that anything is fully passive income. There's always some maintenance to do. There's always some little things to do, but I still make money while I sleep. For example, you have a cleaning business, and at the beginning you do everything yourself, but at some point you can hire other people and it can become a bit more passive. You have to manage those people, obviously. Don't hesitate to hire people to help you. You're going to make more money at the end because you save time, you save your energy, you're more productive in that way. And the most successful people, they find a way to have passive income because they find a way to not trade their time for money. So you want to trade your value for money instead of your time for money. Having also a wonderful masculine partner helping you is also tremendously beautiful. That's why I love talking about masculine men and how to attract high value men and how to become really this high value woman, amazing femme fatale, amazing beautiful siren that will attract those high value men. Those high value men can truly help you creating those businesses, creating those amazing feminine energy businesses. In that way, you accept the help. You're in the receiving energy, you're in your feminine, you accept his help, he's helping you. They always have good advice. So you can ask your partner, maybe he can help you finance your business, maybe he can help you with his expertise. And then also, is it going to be something fun to do? Because for you to stay in your feminine energy, it needs to be about playing. I think playing is the most enjoyable and magnetic part of the feminine energy. And when you're playful and in your playful energy, it's truly magnetic to a man, but it's truly magnetic to you too. You feel amazing, right? So if you're able to work and play at the same time, oh my God, this is the best feeling. Also, I would say to stay in your feminine energy while creating a business, making money, having this abundance coming to you, it is about following your intuition. We have an enormous strength as women. We're so powerful. We have this irresistible inner strength that is our feminine intuition. And as I always say, you have a feminine intuition. Sometimes you know, and it's very powerful to listen to that instinct. And I think that women that are in the feminine energy are unstoppable when it comes to business and making money, because they have that strength of listening to their feminine intuition and being in their body. If women are too much in their masculine, when you're too much in your masculine, even in business or at work, then you will have some blockage. At some point you will be burnout. At some point you will feel exhausted. Women in their feminine energy, in that case, because they follow the natural rhythm of their body, everything flows naturally. The business will flow. The business gets better. You make more money when you are happy, fulfilled, healthy, you feel good, you're more productive. So sometimes it's not about the amount of work that you're doing. It's not about how many hours you work. It's about the productivity. Maybe sometimes you work less, but you were more productive. Sometimes you work more hours, you were working for 8 hours, but actually you truly did work for only 1 or 2 hours. But sometimes you work for 3 or 4 hours and boom, you were totally focused on it and really did an excellent work. Sometimes you need to allow yourself to rest, take some pauses, take some time for you, allow your feminine energy to breathe and to use that time to rebuild your creativity, because creativity comes out when you are playing, when you're joyful, when you're full of excitement and energy. Sometimes I would have blockage about creativity. I would be like, oh my God, I'm not creative at the moment. And I'd be like, okay, I need to stop overthinking about it and I need to enjoy myself, like focus on myself and my enjoyment. Focus on just go out, change your mind, go to the pool, go have fun, go work out, and then your creativity will come back. Your business will be more successful when you're more aligned with your body, with your creativity, with your feminine energy. You manifest more blessings, more money, everything to you. If you're able to have a business that is related to creativity, and I had a client in my coaching session and she wanted to really create a business using her feminine energy, and it was related to creativity. And this is an amazing idea, because when you do a business that is related to your own creativity, anything that is about using your creative mind, wow, you'll be so powerful. Like for example, following your cycle, ladies. This is so important. I don't want to work when I have my period or the first week of my period. I want to be able to work at the pool if I want to. That's why I moved to Dubai. I wanted the sunshine. I wanted this soft, amazing life. I make sure to eat healthy, to work out every day, to prioritize my well-being before prioritizing my business. I think this is the soft life. You need to prioritize first your well-being, your health, how you work out. These are non-negotiable that you need to really have in your life. These are things that you do not compromise on. Of course, maybe sometimes you can have some more work that day or all of that, but in general, you need to prioritize your health and your well-being. And it's going to have an impact on the money that you're making, I promise you. Also, ladies, have patience. This is so important, to have patience, to have gratitude for what you already have, to really truly understand that it takes time. Okay, it takes time and it takes consistency, it takes dedication. And to be patient is really a big strength. To be patient in everything. You need to have this mindset of, I'm grateful for what I already have, but I'm also open to receive all of the blessings that are coming to me, whether that's with money, with a relationship, with everything. Having patience is the key. It's okay to have some form of timeline, but they need to be also flexible. Putting too much pressure on, I need to make that amount of money, I need to do this at that age. This is too much stress. Okay, like calm down. This is going to happen exactly as planned. This is going to happen at the moment it needs to happen. Thank you so much for watching, my beautiful darlings. I hope you liked it and I hope it was helpful for you. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. Truly become these high value women that have it all in life. Don't forget to subscribe down below and also follow me on my Instagram and on TikTok. If you want to join my Femme Fatale course, links are down below. And until next time, I'm giving you so many kisses, my darlings. Mwah.